Alright, we're going to show you how to take this 22 meg and replace it with two 10s. The value actually isn't very critical, and you'll find that at 10% tolerance you would have had a 2 meg difference. So actually by replacing it with two 10s, you're not far off. First thing we're going to do is desolder it, and in this particular instance it's on a foil area, so we're going to add a little bit just to warm it up. And then we're going to take the other part of this, which is the other lead. We're also going to warm it up. And now you should be able to pull this out, at least one end of it anyway. There we go. Now that was the 22 meg, and as you recall, it measured considerably more than 22. Yeah, like 28, 29. So it's way off. These are two 10 megs, and we're going to verify that they're 10. That's close enough. And that's close enough. It takes a while for the meter to settle on these things because they're high values, and the constant current source in the meter is not very big. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the lead from this one, and we're going to bend it, and then we're going to stand it up in midair, because that's the safest position at the present time. And we're going to take the other resistor and do the same. We're bending the lead over. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bend the lead over this way. This leaves a voltage exposed, but it's not very, very high current. But I would still recommend not testing it with your tongue. What we're going to do is we're going to solder this in place, and then we're going to clip the leads. And you'll see we have what we call a resistor bridge. This is sitting in here. I'm going to add a little solder to that. And then you'll see that that's sitting there pretty much on its own, connected to each other. And this is about all you can do unless you can find the source for 22 meg ohm resistors. The problem that we have these days is that with the solid state circuits of today, 22 meg ohm resistors are not easy to find, and they also have a situation where many vendors don't carry it anymore. It's not made. So you can make that up in this particular instance with the combination we showed you here. The 10 meg ohm resistor is still readily available. What they are doing, if you need more than 10 meg ohms, is they're telling people just put a couple of them in series. Alright, so there we have the 20, it's a 20 meg ohm arrangement replacing the 22, and of course the wire for the ground goes here, but this can be left safely in midair. It's not a problem. And like I said, when it comes to some of the other resistors that are still available, the 22 is no longer available.